guys, so today's video is going to be all about the 60s. So we are still continuing our history of makeup series. As you can tell, I already have some foundation and my contouring and all that stuff on, so I look a little crazy. But I am so excited to continue and finish up this history of makeup series. I have a lot of new things that I'm excited to adventure on in 2019. But I have had so much fun this year, and if you did not catch my Christmas video from last week, I'm changing up my upload schedule. We're going to be uploading on Friday mornings at 10 a.m. now, every single week, and I have so many fun series that are going to be coming your way this year. I just feel it. This year is going to be so amazing, and I'm so excited. And before I run you off with all my babbling, let's get started. So we are going to do the 60s, and I'm going to start out by taking some tape, and we're going to kind of line out where I want my eyeshadow to go. Because if you have ever seen anybody like Twiggy or any 60s inspired look, you know they have that cut eye crease, that cut cat eye shape. It's insane. So we're gonna do that with some tape. How do I look? So I'm gonna be taking the Huda New Nude palette, and we're going to be using all these fun, beautiful colors. And the first color I'm going to go in with is Bear. With a big fluffy brush, we're gonna go into Bear and just put that all over our lids. All right, and now I'm going to take a blending brush. This is the Morphe 573, and we're going to go into Secret and just kind of put that in my crease. I'm going to take that same blending brush and we're going to go into Raw. And I'm going to pat that on the outer part of my lid. Kind of halfway, like at the halfway point of my lid and back. I'm going to pat that right there and then blend it into that crease. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Morphe 167 brush. I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. And we're going to dive into Infatuated, which is that crazy glitter shade in this palette. And we're going to put that all over my lid. There, so I'm going to wipe away a little bit of that fallout that glitter gave me. Okay, and I'm going to take that small 514 brush again, and we're going to kind of overdraw our bottom lash line a little bit. And connect it up to that wing that we created. All right. I look sickly, don't I? It's okay, I promise. This is gonna make sense. It's going to make so much sense. Before we go to liner, I'm going to take my Benefit Pretty in the USA, and we're gonna go in with Dandelion Twinkle with my inner highlight brush from Ulta. We're going to spritz this real good. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Now we get to have some fun. So I'm going to take the NYX Epic Liner, and I'm going to do a dramatic line from here into a wing, and we're going to match it to our bottom lash line. Are you scared? I'm scared, just a little bit. Let's do this thing. Okay, so now that the liner is done on the side, you see it's kind of running. That's okay. We're going to fix it. I'm going to take the James Charles palette. Going with this black right there. And a small blending brush. This is the Morphe 508. And we're going to smoke that out. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and do my inner lash line with that. Alright, we're just going to put some NYX Worth the Hype mascara on. We'll see. Let's do the other eye and see if it looks any better. Okay, it looks like I have a black eye. We're gonna fix it. Okay, so now we're going to put some falsies on and see if that helps this at all. It might, you never know. All right, we're gonna leave the eyes alone for a second. They need some help. Don't know if I'm gonna leave those lashes on the bottom on or not, but we'll see. I'm gonna go in with lips now. We're gonna use the liquid lipstick by Laura Lee Los Angeles in a color Nakey Nakey. They did not have very crazy colored lips in the 60s. They did very nude shades. Last thing I'm going to be doing are my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be taking the NYX Professional Brow Pencil, and their eyebrows were kind of just natural. But I'm still letting mine grow in right here. Whoa. So I need to just fill them in a little bit. Okay, and then last thing we need to do is highlight. I'm going to be going back in with Dandelion Twinkle. And I'm going to just kind of put that on my cheeks, my nose, and a little on my top lip. Alright, and I'm going to fix my hair and I'll be right back. So that was my 60s inspired makeup look. I don't know if I'm full on Twiggy or not, but we tried. So I hope that you guys truly enjoyed this video. Next week, it's all about the 70s. Peace, dude. Next week is the 70s, so I only have like 3 or 4 more videos left in this series. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure and hit that subscribe button. I am now posting again every Friday morning at 10 a.m. every single week. So I will see you guys next Friday. Bye.